with everything. Come on. 10 seconds left. Leg warm up. Helps this workout, all body, but we're going to go from high to low exercises. So we'll do some mountain climbers now. Full exercise up. Lift up. Into the back position. It's going straight for the butt kicks then. A little bit awkward. Yeah, like I said, the purpose of this workout, full body, a bit of a hip workout. The idea is to do low ground, high ground exercises one after another. So I find that it's a great way to get heart rate up. Doing a standing exercise. We're going to a ground exercise now, we'll do some lunges. We're going to add a twist into it as well. Like that. Like that. A twist. You can engage your core as well. Nice and easy. As ever. And just nice. 5-minute workouts you can do, all balance, absolutely anywhere, anytime. You can do in the morning, I am now, all balance. Do in the evening, do at lunchtime, take them anywhere with you. Do one more, there we go. That's our next stand exercise. So we go to our next ground exercise, which is going to be flutter kicks. Getting it right this time. This is my favourite core exercise. And keep the shoulders off the ground, so you can really engage that core. About 15 seconds to go, guys. Imagine your core's probably feeling really tight at the moment, which is good. At least it's doing its job. 3, 2, 1, done. Oh yeah, right. Moving on to the last one now. This will really knock it out. Use my favourite. Got to get some burpees in. Right, are we all ready? 45 seconds of burpees, let's go. Now. So we're going to end with an exercise that's both up and down at the same time. Because why not? 10 seconds left, guys. And that. That's your 5-minute workout done. So about 15 seconds, catch your breath there.